So to fix my sprinkler head, I have to actually remove this threaded part, but it's permanently glued on. So I can't fix the thread, but I'm gonna have to actually cut the pipe and replace it with a new threaded male adapter. And that adapter, I've already made sure fits the elbow joint that I already put into the line. So I'm gonna cut this. Any kind of saw will do. You could use a chop saw. I'm gonna use a manual saw just because it's what I had lying around. You can hear the blue jays around. So let me cut that off, and then I'm going to show you how I would attach the male adapter. So I'm just going to give it a firm grip, get a good eye on that, get at it.